I love coming out to Terra Casa right in Damascus because there's so much to see. There's fountains, and then today what we're going to be talking about is wall art. You know, Diana, we're on our porch, we're on our decks, and we have blank walls. So you can help us fill those walls, right?
We try. So what we suggest is that your outdoor living area should also sort of reflect the inside of your home. You can decorate it as well. We have a lot of metal art that can go right out on the walls. It's weatherproof, it's weather resistant. For instance, the Haitian metal art, which is a hand-hammered metal art piece. It's one of the economies down there. They're made out of recycled steel oil drums, and they have the artist's name on each tag. And then we also have the coated, this is the colorful 3D.
Beautiful. They're different.
There's dragonflies. So a lot of these, you bend them out and you give them a little bit of dimension. So it adds a lot of fun interest to your wall outside.
I really like them because I know some people that collect suns, they collect hummingbirds, and so it's another piece to add to that collection.
A lot of collectors, and dragonflies are huge.
Yes,
Dragonflies
definitely.
are one of the biggest ones, and there's a lot of little hummingbirds, chickadees, and suns and moons and stars are also very big.
That is beautiful, and I love this new little area that you have on the far side of this yard. Let's go over there and look.
Okay.
So Diana, now we're out in the pot lot, and I love this new vignette here. This really makes you feel like you're at home.
This is fun. We have a lot of metal art out here. There's hanging baskets, there are wall pieces, we have the large tree, which this is one of our indoor metal art pieces that we actually bring outside. I think it works great on the side of a home, on your back patio, but we do treat our indoor metal art. We do spray coat it with a clear coat. It's a UV coating that you do like once a year, front and back, and it also keeps it from oxidizing. So a lot of our indoor metal art can be brought outside as long as it's treated properly.
That's a great tip for us because you want that to last. It's a wonderful investment for us.
Yes, yes.
And of course you have the really fun coolers. They are just hysterical.
These are so fun. So there's many different styles. There's a lot of the cars and trucks, and we have a fire truck this year. We have the little antique ice box, and these are coolers. There's a plug in the bottom, so you can actually fill them with ice and put all your beverages in there, as well as some of them are planters too. And then all the wall art pieces. There's dragonflies and there's birdhouses, and this is a real special, very artsy, one-of-a-kind pieces that are made out of recycled metal.
Really, I love coming out here. You can go inside and see all the beautiful things for inside, but then you come out to the potluck and you see all the other things that you can add to your garden. Come out to Terra Casa right in Damascus and see what you can find this year. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judy.